Welcome to CaseWare QuickVids. This QuickVid will introduce you to the different types of automatic reports that you can use in CaseWare TIME. In this QuickVid, we will only be covering the most commonly used reports. CaseWare TIME allows you to create and store reports for different purposes. When you open a new TIME file, the document manager already contains automatic reports by default. Each of these reports falls under a specific category. You can use summary and detailed journal reports to display data on time and expenses. A summary report provides a summary of the total time for each employee with breakdowns of billable and non-billable time. A detailed journal report lists each time entry by employee with breakdowns of billable and non-billable time. Work codes, clients, rates, and amounts are included in detail reports, but not in summary reports. To document insufficient hours worked by a particular staff member, you can also create the time exception report. Work in process reports detail all billable time and expenses from previous periods that were not written off. They also show time, expenses, and invoices from the current period. You can use accounts receivable reports to get updates of how much money is owed to your firm at any given time. These include trial balance reports, which provide outstanding amounts across multiple periods, or for the entire firm in summary or detail formats, and payment history reports, which provide a history of all accounts receivable activity during a certain period of time. Most staff reports can list staff members either by name or by number. Like time and expense journals, these staff reports come in summary as well as detail formats. A third option, the Staff Monitor Report, provides an interactive spreadsheet allowing you to quickly view or modify staff information or change a staff member's number. The last of the main report categories is client reports. Client journal reports come in summary and detail formats and provide each client's name, number, partner, manager, client group, type, and year-end order. Client monitor reports provide the same information as the journals, but in spreadsheet format, once again allowing you to change data, such as client numbers. A client WIP limit report provides a list of clients whose WIP is over the limit set for them in the client list. A client electronic list provides an electronic list of the information found in the client journals. Client contacts reports provide lists of every client's contact information. Some automatic documents in CaseWare TIME are similar to one another. Let's quickly go over these documents to clear up their differences and help you distinguish between them. Time analysis reports show billed and non-billed time, while a billing analysis shows only billed time. Comparing summary and detail reports with their corresponding analysis reports is useful for gaining a full understanding of the data. For instance, a WIP detail or summary report shows WIP information for a specific date, provides the total of unbilled time and expenses, and provides the net amount of outstanding WIP. Meanwhile, a WIP analysis report shows info for a specific period of time, provides the total of both billed and unbilled time and expenses, and provides both the net and gross amount of outstanding WIP as well as the write-up and write-down amount. A trial balance report provides information on accounts receivable transactions up to a specific date, while a payment history report does the same thing for a range of dates. In other words, a trial balance report could show the client balance for the date selected, while a payment history would show each client balance in the date range selected. Another difference between these two reports is that the trial balance lists only outstanding balances of accounts receivable transactions to a specific date for each client in aged format, while a payment history lists both outstanding and applied accounts receivable transactions for the specified date range. You can configure the date range of a payment history in the Properties dialog. The Client Summary Report is a useful document for reviewing the information of clients in your firm. This information includes the client's name, number, and contact details. You can customize which columns are displayed and in what order they're displayed by opening the View menu and selecting Reorder Columns. In the Reorder Table Columns dialog, the columns that are currently displayed in the summary report are listed on the left, while those that are not displayed are listed on the right. To add or remove a column from the summary report, select it and click the arrow buttons pointing left and right to move it to the other list. In the Active Columns list, the columns are listed top to bottom in the order they appear from left to right in the summary report. To move a column to a different position in the list, select it and click the arrow buttons pointing up and down. Doing so will change the position of the column in the document accordingly. When you've finished selecting your columns and the order you want them displayed, click OK. The summary report refreshes and now displays the columns based on the settings you selected. This concludes our quick vid on the different types of reports in CaseWare TIME. Thank you for watching CaseWare QuickVids.